Yo, I found these emo kids over here. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hiding from monsters.
What monster?